What we're trying to do is tell these people that we love our culture, that we want to embrace and use our bodies to perform and to celebrate our culture. And we will not allow them to impose their standards on us. For many generations and many centuries, they've been using systems like apartheid to oppress us, telling us how to dress, how to look, and where to live. And now apartheid legally has been abolished, but within their systems, they're still practicing policies of apartheid, which is why they think they can control how you represent yourselves and how you represent your culture. So it's important that we stand up to them and we say, you've had your time. We let you do what you do, but now we're going to stand up for what is ours. We're going to stand up for what we believe in, and we're going to be celebrating our cultures the way our ancestors have been doing it for centuries and centuries. So it is good for you to be proud and not let them intimidate you. And how do you not let them intimidate you? By standing united as a unit, by gathering together in places like this and talking and discussing this and sharing your points of view and approaching them and telling them, no, we will not conform to what you want us to. We are who we are. We are African. This is us, And let's not, I don't want us to even say we are Zulu or we are this. We should just say we are African. Because by immediately saying we are Zulu, we ourselves are dividing ourselves and we are doing their job already. But when we unite and say we are African, then we show them that we are a force to be reckoned with. Because you know how there's a saying that when you have one stick, it's easy to break. But when you have a bunch of sticks, you cannot break them. And that's how we must be. We must be strong as a unit and stand up for the same thing. There must not be any loopholes. There must not be any weak points. Yeah, so basically, that's the message.
Akazambali siyatitsanza tinwele tethu siyayitsanza imvunulo yethu siyatsanza kuba imbali yemaswati nisibona nje sibahle sinje